Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. Myself Kumar, your maths teacher. Today in this video we will discuss chapter 8, comparing quantities, exercise 8.2, question number 5 onwards. Now listen to page number 125, question number 5. A VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. So here cost price, that is a VCR and TV bought for 8,000 each. That means cost price of each item is 8,000. So it is written here, cost price of VCR, that is rupees 8,000, and cost price of TV is also rupees 8,000. And loss percentage for VCR is, that is loss of 4%. If the loss is given in percentage, that means it is loss percentage. So loss percentage of VCR is 4, or loss of 4% on VCR. So here I have written for VCR loss percentage is 4. Now we can apply the equation, that is loss percentage equal to loss by cost price into 100 multiplied by 100. So here loss percentage, that is given as 4. So here we can write 4, that is equal to loss. Loss we don't know. Loss divided by. Now cost price. Cost price is given rupees 8,000. So 8,000, then multiplied by 100. Now we can cancel these two. That is, so from this, by cross multiplying, 4 we can consider as 4 by 1. So by cross multiplying we can find loss. So next step we can write loss equal to. Next step is loss, that is equal to, we can do the cross multiplication, that is 4 multiplied by 80, that is equal to 320. That is equal to rupees 320. That is the loss. Now if we know the loss, right, proper, rupees 320. Now we know the cost price and the loss. And I told you in the last video, if there is loss, and we can find the selling price by cost price minus loss. So next we can write selling price equal to. Selling price is cost price minus loss. That is CP minus loss. CP minus loss. Now that is SP equal to CP is 8,000. Therefore 8,000 minus 320, that is the loss. 320, therefore 8,000, 320. That is 7,000, rupees 7,680 will be the selling price. That is 7,680 is the selling price of that VCR. This is for VCR. So we got the selling price rupees 7,680. In the same way, we have to find the selling price of TV also. So next we can write cost price of TV. The next step we can write CP of TV. That also equal to 8,000. That is equal to rupees Now here we can apply the equation profit percentage equal to profit by cost price multiplied by 100. So next we will write the equation profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price multiplied by 100. In both the cases, denominator is cost price. When we are finding gross percentage, then also denominator is cost price, and when we are writing profit percentage, then also denominator is cost price. Now we can give the values and find the profit. Here profit percentage is profit by cost price multiplied by 100, and profit percentage is given in the book, that is 8. Therefore 8 equal to profit by cost price multiplied by 100. That is 8 equal to profit by 8,000 multiplied by 100. Now we can simplify this. These two zeros you can cancel. Then from this, by doing gross multiplication, we can write profit equal to do the cross multiplication, that is 8 multiplied by 80, that is equal to rupees 640. That is the profit. Now we can find the selling price, that is SP equal to, I told you if there is profit you have to add, and if there is loss you have to subtract. So CP plus profit, SP equal to CP plus profit, and CP is 8,000. 8,000 plus profit is 640. So the answer is 8,640. That is selling price of TV, SP of TV. First one was selling price of VCR. This one is SP of VCR. SP of VCR. First we got selling price of VCR. Then now we got selling price of TV. Now total selling price. Therefore, total selling price is, we have to add that to total SP, that is equal to, first we got 7,680 plus 8,640. When you add these two, you will get the total selling price. That is 7,680 plus 8,640 and add. That is 16,320. When we add, we get 16,320. That is the total selling price. And before it is given cost price of each item, that is 8,000. So total cost price of two items is 8,000 plus 8,000, that is 16,000. And here what we have to find is gain or loss percentage. So first we will find the selling price, total selling price, and we already know total cost price. So we can find out whether there is profit or loss. If there is profit, you have to find the profit percentage, and if there is loss, you have to find loss percentage. So after writing up to here, you write up to here. Now total CP 60,000 and total SP now we got 60,320. And by looking at this, you can see there is profit because selling price is big number. So we can say there is profit, and profit we can find by SP minus CP. If there is profit, I told you SP will be greater. So big number we can write first 16,320 minus 16,000, answer will Now we have to find, since there is profit, we have to find profit percentage. So next we can write profit percentage. Profit percentage. Again the equation, that is profit by cost price multiplied by 100. And profit is 320 divided by cost price. Cost price is, here it is total cost price, not the cost price of one thing. Because we are considering total cost price and the total selling price. So here we have to write the total cost price. Total cost price is 16,000. So here 16,000, then multiplied by 100. Here you don't make a mistake, because the whole transactions profit percentage we are finding. So cost price is total cost price, not sure cost price of each item. Here it will become total cost price. Now we can do the simplification. These two zeros are cancelling, and here also that is 32 by 160. Sorry, one more zero will cancel. Here 3 zeros are at the denominator and 3 zeros are at the numerator. Therefore this becomes 32 by 16, that is equal to 2. Therefore profit percentage, that is equal to 2%. And for the whole transaction there will be 2% profit, or profit percentage is 2. Therefore this is the answer. One lengthy problem, but when you are understanding the step, it becomes easy. Because first you have to find the total selling price. So each item selling price we will find first, then total selling price, then total cost price minus total selling price minus total cost price. We can find profit, then profit percentage. So first you think what are the terms you have to find out. I hope all of you understood this. Now before starting exercise 8.2, question number 6, we will discuss one point, that is discount. And discount is a word very familiar to us, and this discount is given by the shopkeepers to attract the customers. When they are offering discount, they will get a lot of customers. So to promote the sale, the shopkeepers are giving discount. And discount means the reduction given on mark price. That is, some price will be written on the tag. Suppose if you are buying a jeans, if it is 800, and if there is 20% discount, then we don't have to give the money 800. We have to give, first we have to find the 20%. This 20% means 20 by 100 of 800. That is, the mark price is 800 and discount is 20%. So first we can have to calculate this. That is 160 rupees is the discount, because they are offering 20% discount. That means if the mark price of a jeans or something 800, then you will get a reduction of 160. So up to this time you are asking how much I have to give. If there is discount, how much I should give. Now next time you can calculate yourself. That is 800 is the mark price, that is on the price tag it will be written 800, and if there is 20% discount, that means you have to give 160 rupees less. That is, actually you have to give 800 minus 160. That is, you have to give 641. So 800 Question number 6. Question is page number 125, exercise 8.2, question number 6. Just go through the question. During a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the marked price of all the items. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and 2 shirts marked at rupees 850 each? So here listen, discount is 10% and marked price of jeans, that is on the jeans some price is written, that is 8,450. Marked price of jeans is 1,450 and 2 shirts marked at rupees 850 each. That means each means one shirt is rupees 850. So 2 shirts you have to, the marked price is 850 plus 850, that is rupees 1,750. When you add 850 plus 850, you will get 1,700. Now we have to find the what would a customer have to pay. That means selling price. Customer is giving the selling price. So what the customer has to pay means you have to find selling price. So first we will find the discount. Mark price we already know. Mark price we already know, that is the price marked on the shirt and jeans. And now we have to find discount. Then only we can find the selling price. That is what amount we have to do. That is the, in that case, selling price is coming. That is the shopkeeper will sell for that amount. That is, he will reduce the discount from the mark price. That is his selling price. So discount on jeans, that is 10% of mark price. That is 10%. When you convert it to number, it becomes, this percentage symbol you can remove by 10 by 100. Because percentage means out of 100. Therefore 10%, this percentage symbol is removed when you are writing 10 by 100. And of means multiple sign. Now mark price of jeans, that is 1450, 1,450. Now you can simplify. Zeros you can add, and here also one more zero. Therefore discount is rupees 145. This is the discount he is giving. So we have to pay the selling price of that item. So selling price we can find by SB. Selling price is, this selling price is mark price minus discount. Mark price minus discount. We have to give that. If there is discount, we have to give that. He will sell mark price minus discount. For that amount he will sell. So mark price for the jeans is 1,450. Then that amount minus discount is 145. 145. Therefore, first you have to subtract this. That is 1,450 minus 140. That is 1,305. So amount is 1,305. That is the price we will sell for 1,305. We will sell the jeans for this amount. That is his selling price now, since there is discount. shirts is 1700. So 10% means 10 by 100. Percentage symbol, first you have to remove the by writing 100 at the denominator. So 10 by 100. Off means multiple sign. Then mark price of two shirts is 1700. And when you cancel two zeros, this becomes rupees 170. Now selling price, SP of two shirts. SP of two shirts, that's equal to mark price minus discount. Mark price minus discount. And here discount is rupees 170.